Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to accept Venmo payment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. And make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Venmo app. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're there, tap on the settings icon. And once you tap on settings here, you need to tap on payment methods. And once you're here, what you need to do is add a bank or a card, and from here what you can do is receive payment through your bank or card, or in your Venmo account through bank or card. And the next method is simply by requesting for your friend through tapping on pay or request, and here on the name or username type in your friend's username or name. And once you do that, select the contact and here type in the amount and then tap on request, and here you can accept payment from this way as well. And the next is simply by sharing your Venmo QR code to your friend and then requesting them to scan it and then pay your amount. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.